Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, all my dear little ones. I hope you are fine. I welcome you all after Eid holidays. Today we are going to start our explanation 4 of class 3. Now we will continue our second unit. Students, do you remember the name of the topic? Yes, the name of the topic is At Grandfather's House. And today we continue page 100 and 101. Before starting our today's explanation, let's take a quick preview of previous explanation. Yes, we have discussed about Heidi's character and Heidi's grandfather's house. Okay, students, we have also discussed about Heidi, that Heidi is a very kind girl. She is very loyal and cares a lot to her grandfather. Now let's begin a story. Heidi had arranged the bed in such a way that she would be able to see out through the window. हाइडी ने अपना बेड इस तरह अरेंज किया था कि वो अपनी विंडो से बाहर के ब्यूटीफुल सीन्स को भी देख सके. Her grandfather appreciated her and said, "Well done." But still, he fetched some more hay to make the bed thicker. Heidi would be very comfortable in this new bed. उसके ग्रैंडफादर ने उसको अप्रिशिएट किया और कहा, "Well done, Heidi." But still he fetched some more hay. फिर भी वो मज़ीद वो hay लेकर आया ताकि हाइडी के बेड को और मज़ीद थिक कर सके और हाइडी अपने बेड पर कंफर्टेबल हो. It was a good thing that the sheet was thick and heavy, because the sharp stalks of the hay would not poke through it and not hurt her. ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि इस शीट को अगर थिक कर दिया जाए कि उसके जो शार्प स्टॉक्स, जो उसके नोकीले जो कोने थे, जो उसकी हीप ऑफ हे, उसके नोके उसको पोक ना करें, उसको चुभे ना. पोक मीन्स किसी को कोई बात पॉइंट आउट करना, पॉइंट करना उसको. ग्रैंडफादर and Heidi worked together to spread over the bed, and now it's looked like a very tidy and comfortable bed. Grandfather और Heidi ने मिलकर बेड को इस तरह बनाया कि अब तो बेड एक कंफर्टेबल और खूबसूरत और साफ सुथरा नजर आने लगा. In the excitement of bed making, Heidi had forgotten everything else. But now Heidi realized that she was very hungry. She hadn't had anything to eat since the small breakfast she had eaten before the long hot journey. बेड को बनाने की खुशी में हाइडी तो सब कुछ ही भूल गई. इवन वो तो खाना खाना भी भूल गई. जब बेड बनकर तैयार हो गया, देन हाइडी ने रियलाइज किया कि इसको भूख लगी है. और फिर हाइडी जब खाना खाने के लिए वहाँ गई, शी हैडंट ईट एनीथिंग. उसने कुछ नहीं खाया था, सिर्फ एक थोड़े से ब्रेकफास्ट पर ही वो थी. और वो बहुत ही लॉन्ग हॉट जर्नी से ग्रैंडफादर के हाउस तक पहुंची थी. और अब उसने रियलाइज किया कि नाउ शी इज वेरी हंग्री. Grandfather was sitting on the only chair in the room. Heidi got the stool and sat on it. She was too small to reach the table. Grandfather सिर्फ एक चेयर पर ही बैठे हुए थे रूम में, बिकॉज रूम में सिर्फ एक ही चेयर थी. हाइडी गॉट द स्टूल. हाइडी ने स्टूल लिया और उस पर आके बैठ गई. शी वॉज टू स्मॉल. वो बहुत छोटी थी कि वो टेबल तक पहुंच पाए. उसको जो भूख लग रही थी, खाने पीने की चीज़ें टेबल पर थी, बट शी वॉज टू स्मॉल. वो वहां तक पहुंच नहीं पा रही थी. Now, come along, let's eat. He stood up and moved his chair in front of Heidi's stool. ग्रैंडफादर ने कहा, चलो अब हम खाना खाते हैं. वो खड़े हुए और उन्होंने हाइडी की चेयर को उसके स्टूल के नज़दीक कर दिया. He put a bowl of milk on the chair. Now Heidi had her own table. Then he brought a large slice of bread and a piece of golden cheese and told her to eat. फिर ग्रैंडफादर ने हाइडी को कहा, अब तुम स्टूल पर बैठ के आराम से खा सकती हो, बिकॉज उन्होंने चेयर पर बोल ऑफ मिल्क, स्लाइस ऑफ ब्रेड, पीस ऑफ गोल्डन चीज़, वहाँ सब कुछ अरेंज कर दिया था. ग्रैंडफादर asked to Heidi, was the milk nice? She said, it is the best I have ever had. ग्रैंडफादर ने पूछा हाइडी से, क्या मिल्क मज़े का है? She said, it is the best. ये तो बहुत अच्छा है. इतना अच्छा तो खाना मैंने कभी नहीं खाया. This is the end of the story. Now students, let's start our copy work. Before starting our copy work, I want to show the outline of assignment. What you have to do first? First of all, you will continue the fill in the blanks, because true false question answers words meaning we have done in previous explanation. After fill in the blanks, you will do RTC, then make sentences. Make sentences, you have to do it by your own. Activity 1 from book, page 103, exercise B, question number 1. This activity you have to do it in your Oxford book. Same as activity 2, page 104, exercise C, question number 2. This activity will also do in the book. Now fill in the blanks. Number 1. Heidi's eyes were dashed with excitement. Number 2. Heidi was very pleased with her dash. Number 3. She put an extra heap of dash at one end for a pillow. Number 4. She was very dash after her long journey. Number 5. Dash bed was in one corner. Now come to RTC. Yes, in this lesson we have only one RTC, that is number 1. It is the best I have ever had. Who said these words to whom? ये किसने किसको कहा था? First of all, you have to write the answer. These words have been taken from the lesson. Students, now it's your work. Which lesson is this? You have to write it by your own. And then Dash said these words to Dash. ये आपको बताना है कि ये वर्ड्स किसने किसको कहे थे. अगर आपने स्टोरी को बहुत अच्छा सुना होगा तो आई एम डेफिनेटली श्योर यू नो द आंसर वेरी वेल. ऑल द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ then we will start make sentences. These sentences I want from you, and I want very good sentences by my students. Number 1, decided. Number 2, busy. Number 3, cheese. Number 4, journey. Number 5, comfortable. Now, activity number 1, which you have to do it in your Oxford book. Open your book, page 103, exercise B, question number 1. What are these words? They are all from the story. A. The first letter word is C. From C, which word is making? Now, a food, this is a food made from the pressed curd of milk. You think about it कि प्रेस्ड कर्ड से मिल्क के प्रेस्ड कर्ड से दूध जब ख़राब हो जाता है और जब वो दही की शक्ल में आ जाता है, उस दही को प्रेस्ड के बाद वो क्या चीज़ बनती है जो उसका फर्स्ट लेटर वर्ड सी है. सी से कौन सा वर्ड यूज़ होता है ये आपको स्टोरी में भी मिल जाएगा, ये आपको खुद सोचना है. नाउ नंबर बी, द लेटर वर्ड इज जी. This is the beginning of the letter word. G से कौन सा word बनेगा? You have to think. I'm giving you the riddle. An elderly relative, the father of a child's father or mother. आपके घर में भी जो सबसे एल्डर आपके रिलेटिव हैं, जो आपके पापा के, आप जो बेटे हैं या बेटी हैं, या आपकी मदर के जो फादर हैं वो आपके क्या हुए? Number C, same as the starting letter word is C. Which word is going to make now? I'm giving you again the riddle. A piece of furniture, this is a piece of furniture with a door and shelves used for storage. I will not tell you what is this word, you have to think about it. Now, number D. The first letter word is B. Dash. Think about it. Which word is going to make now? The first meal of the day. सुबह सुबह हम जो खाते हैं उसको क्या कहा जाता है? Now come to activity number 2. From book page 104, exercise C, question number 2. This activity you will do it in the book, not in the copy. You have to match A column with B to make complete sentence. Number 1, you will have to work hard. आपको मेहनत करनी होगी. If what? If it rains? If you fall off your bicycle? If you want to learn English? If the bus doesn't come? I don't know, but you know it very well. Tell me which sentence will fix in the next box of B. Now number 2 is we shall all get very wet. हम सब भीग जाएंगे. हम सब कब भीग जाएंगे? If it rains, जब बारिश होगी. If you fall off your bicycle. If you want to learn English. If the bus doesn't come. Think about it and match it. The number 2, match it with the partner sentence. Number 3, we shall have to walk home. Think and match it. 4, you may hurt yourself badly. That's all, students. Allah Hafiz.